What's goody, ladies and gents? It's the one and only Cali Tricks. How you feel? Alright, y'all. In today's video, we're gonna be unboxing the future of grinders. Oh, you don't believe me? Wait till you see this. For those of you that don't know about the stash grinders, they tested 6 grinders. We all have one of these grinders in our house right now. So with the diamond teeth, the THC content or the terpenes produced or left over was 23.8%. The square THC was 24.7%. The elongated crescent moon was 23.1%. The blender style was the lowest of them all. It was 21.1%. The rounded bump teeth right here, 26.1 to 26.6% THC terpenes left over. So you're getting the most maximum out of your flower each time you grind your flower. Those other style grinders that you're using, I'm telling you, I've been telling y'all for a while, y'all fucking up y'all shit. So what are you waiting for? Get you a stash grinder right now. Stop playing, stop wasting time. Until next time, y'all. Peace.